Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can know who viewed your Instagram profile. So also you need to know that mostly there is no app that will show you who viewed your Instagram profile. So mostly this app is just based on your on people that liking your photos or viewing your stories. So actually, if someone just like your post, so they will show you that actually this person may view to your profile. But also, the only way you can do it is just maybe add some link to your profile, and when some person will just tap on this link, so after you can also just find who uh, tap on this link. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.